Hi guys, as you can see, I've just completed the temporary installation of this chat controller that I just bought. I want to upgrade this one. This one is 80 amps, but I don't think it can do it. I've never tested it up to that because of the cable size and also the number of panels that I've got on it. There were 4, I reduced them to 3 just because I noticed that anytime it goes above that 30-35 amps, it just stops, as in you see 0 amps on the side, on this top left corner. As you can see on this one, it's running right now. You can see 11 amps. But one thing that I observe about this particular chat controller, I think both of them, they're from the same manufacturer because of their footprint. You can easily, it seems like they have similar DNA, similar footprints, something like that. And if you look on this side, what I just want to show you here is this. So this has a watt meter, and that's one of the reasons why I went for it as well. This is 60 amps, and I have the watt meter that comes directly, the solar panel comes through, and it gives me the actual reading that is coming from the solar panel, so that I can also see it here. So this comes from the solar panel, and it comes underneath through the solar aspect, and then you can see the reading here. So if you look at the amps in real time here, it says 13.96, but right here is showing me 10.1, 10 point something. So where is this getting this 13 point something from? 14, and this is still showing 10 on the top left corner there, and this is the real time. And if you look at the wattage on the bottom right corner here, 421 in real time here, what are we getting? 376. That's where my problem is with this particular chat controller. Now this other one, the one I just installed now, as you can see here, is showing me 10.9, and if we come right here, it's showing me 16. Bring up the light. 16, 15, 15 point something. Look at it. And right here, it's showing me 11 on the top left corner. Now look at the wattage here, 431, 430. Now let's look at the wattage that is doing here. This seems to be kind of accurate, so I agree with this one. This is giving me accurate real-time wattage. But this one is giving me something different, 432. Let's look at it on this side. 386, 387, 433. Look at it there. Look at the amps. And look at the amps here, 14. Let's look at the amps here, 11.2. Here it's showing me 16. And let's look at the wattage here, 432, something around that, and 442, which is not bad in terms of wattage, but in terms of amps, I don't know where it is getting from. When this watt meter is telling me this is exactly what is coming from the solar panel, but this is giving me something different. Anyways, this is just a temporary installation of this, and if you want to go for it, you can. I just love the fact that it has watt meter on it, and I can see how much energy I'm using on a daily basis, and in total how much solar energy my solar panels have generated. That is why I prefer this particular chat controller. I bought it from Alibaba. I think it cost around 220 pounds. So I'm going to be taking it off and then mounting it somewhere around here, and I will have to change this energy switch. So we'll see how it goes. Just a little puzzle with the energy meter, why it is not very consistent. I don't mind maybe 1 or 2% difference, but if it is going up to like 20% difference, and that is a bit of a concern. But I can see that my battery is charging, and I think this can also give me my battery voltage. Now the battery voltage here is a little bit kind of different. Yeah, I think it's almost similar, 24, 27, and here is 26.9. This is a little bit, the way I configured this is to give me like 1 digit lower than the original, so it's actually 27, not 26, and that's just the way I configured it myself. So I think the battery voltage that this is giving me is quite accurate, because this is kind of automatic. This one I can manually set it the way I want it, and I can change it back to the real and battery voltage. Alright guys, thank you, cheers.